What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's episode is going to be on the LS. We're going to start the modification on the car, making it VIP. We're going to start with the LED all around because it's a 2003 and it has yellow bulbs everywhere. And that's one of the first things I like to do, installing LEDs, making it look newer. And we'll start with the interior. Okay, so get a trim removal tool just so you won't damage the plastic. There we go. Oh, I just broke something. It's not that way. You're not supposed to do it that way. But we'll see what I just broke. So basically, I broke something. We have to figure out what you broke, but these clips look okay.
Go.
It's right here.
I don't see it.
Right there. So I broke something.
Like a piece of glass.
Be careful taking off the cover. Once you take it off, you have access to the lights. Light, I will turn it off because it's very bright.
Wow, I can't see anything now.
Okay, so let's turn it off. I'll put the link to all the bulb size down below. But this is one of the bulbs. It's different from the other two. The other two, you see how it's yellow? We gotta take that off.
Yep.
Okay, so this is very dumb of Lexus, but there's a little pin. Let me show you. I don't know if the camera could pick it up. Slide it, and it's out. So basically, that little pin here, you're supposed to turn it, and it comes off the socket. Once it's out, that socket basically, it does this. No pulling or tugging or anything there. It slides off. Wow. So the new one, you just slide it in and it should turn. Now let's confirm that it turns on, and it does not. Great. There you go. So yeah, make sure it goes onto the pin and it's not sliding around. And it's on. So let's do the other side and I'll bring you guys to the back lights. There you go. Perfect. That works. Let's go to the back. The trim tool, pick, whatever thing is called, it comes off. You clip it in here, flick it, and it just comes right off. If this will turn off, it'll be awesome, but it's the same thing as the front one. You're gonna twist in. Oof, it's hot. And then remove the pins, put the new one in, you should be good. The good thing about LEDs, they burn less hotter, so it'll be easier to put on. Let's put the new one in, match it up. It's on, push in, twist, and it's on. You slide on the cover, and it's on. See? That was easier. I'll do. Alright, so the next video is going to be doing the Lexus logo door light. So I did the front. I'm going to show you guys how to do the back one now. So basically these little projectors and this little light. And you take off the old one. Not like that. But there's little clips on the side that hold them in. Let me grab a clip.
Bruh.
On the side there's like a little clip like this. These are metal. So you just stick the two in there.
Oh, wow. Wait.
Okay.
Go.
So you grab it in here. Oh. right there. So a metal clip comes off. See the metal clips right here? Those metal clips, there's 2 on each side. The plug, you pop it out. That plug is in. You could pull the plug a little bit, bring in this side, because these lights are specifically plugging this way. Plugs in. You can adjust the projection through here. Where is it? Through here. But usually they come already preset. Slide it in, plug first, then this side, and voila. Lexus logo is done. Okay, so as you see in the right, we're doing the golden yellow, the JDM style white with a golden yellow instead of the regular pale yellow. We're changing it to HID bulbs, not HID, LED bulbs, and it has like a little mini projector on it. So to do this, you'll have to, let me turn the light side. You turn the wheel to the opposite direction, and there's gonna be two screws. Oh look, it's missing one. So one screw goes there, the other screw is here.
Where?
Right there, and the other one's up here. This one's missing it, so all we have to do is take off this screw. It's a 10mm bolt. So once you take off, let me take it off and I'll show you guys what to look for. Basically, you lift this up. So you get a trim tool. Try not to break anything. There we go. Put a plastic liner back. And then right there, I don't know if you can see, this is the fog light right here. So you just twist it to the right. You're able to take the bulb out.
Hot?
It's hot, be careful. Okay. So once you plug it in, you gotta test it. I know it works, so I'm not gonna test it again. And you put it the same way you took it out. Bring it to the right. You bring a little, see right there? You put it in the same way. It's locked in there, it's good. Bring the fender liner back. Put the bolt back in. Bolt goes in there. We're done with this fog light. All right, so for this tag light, you gotta take the panels off. There's a bunch of clips all around. Make sure you don't pop them. They fall off, some of them fall off. Just hold on to them. You'll put them on when you put them in. You'll come here, you take off the panel. And there's 2 ways. You could just take this off and put new bulbs in, which I did at first. The trunk is a mess. Or to do this, to swap out the whole thing, you're gonna have to take off the rear trim. This is for 2000, the pre-lift. The preface, whatever it's called. So that's where the trim goes. That trim. To do that, you gotta take off 2 bolts that hold the keyhole. There's 2 bolts there, and then there's another separate bolt by itself, which would be, yeah, that one. You see, that one. And then there's 2 more on this side, which hold in this little plastic, and another bolt on the edge. Doing that, you're able to have access to this. I believe I could just take this off. I'll have to play with it and just replace it. So it's even labeled for you. It has the left and the right. It's R is for right, so it goes on this side. Left is here. and the OEM harness plugs right into it, and you could definitely tell this already has switched to LED, but you can already tell this one's brighter. Obviously, once the hood is on, it'll cover the back more. So yeah, now you do that to the other side. All right, once you're done, you put the little trim back and screw in those bolts that you had taken out before. The reverse. Forgot to mention, when you do take this off, be careful of the weather stripping. Of course, you know why. And there's a clip right in the middle, so don't break the clip. That's what holds it in place. And yeah, pretty easy. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. Down below, we're gonna put the link to our IG. Make sure to follow us. All the other projects that we don't show here, we show it there. So to stay up to date with us, follow us there. We have a lot of projects that are gonna be coming up, so yeah, there's a lot of content coming out. This was a simple LED install, but we have this car is gonna go full-blown VIP, so we're gonna do a bunch of videos. Comment down below anything you would like to see in specific of this car or any car in general. We'll try to make it happen. And once again, guys, thank you for all the support. On to the next one.